Hey guys, Crypto Spacey here. Today let's talk about new mining project called CZ Kitchen. So this is one of the interesting mining project given the fact they have a treasury, they have a P2E game, and they have NFT and also an incubation program. So all these are built in such a way that they wanted to make sure the project or the mining project runs for a longer time. So if you're interested, stay on. We will discuss in detail. Again, this is an education video only. This is not a financial advice. So please do your own research. So as with any mining project, they are also giving 8% daily return. And when you're initially invest, there will be a deposit fee of 8%. That means suppose you deposited $100, then 8% will go to the fees. That will be $8. So that means you will be depositing only 92. So how do you do that? You come here and first you connect your wallet. And once you connect your wallet here, you type in your how much BNB you want to invest. I think it is minimum is zero point 0.1 BNB. So whatever you want to invest, you click on enter that number and click this enter this kitchen. So once you enter the kitchen, the MetaMask will open and approve the transaction. So once you approve the transaction, you will see the chef. That means it shows how many chefs you got it for your invested BNB. And the next step is we want to compound. You click on this higher chef. And if you want to claim, you're going to click on these dishes. So it's pretty straightforward, like any other mining project. So, and also they have this referral fee here. If you see that you can earn 12.5% of BNB deposited by anyone who uses your referral link. So that is good. So all these are common features of a mining project. So let's understand what is unique about this protocol. See, they have mentioned Treasury, P2E, NFT, and incubation program. And if I go to their white paper, we can understand what are these different features means. See that they plan to get 3% of each deposit towards the Treasury. And what they plan to do with the Treasury, and they're going to invest in various projects. And they have mentioned how they plan to invest. You can see that they plan to put it in the farming, staking pool, and high APY protocols, NFTs, seed and private sales, and also having some strategic partnership investment. So unlike other mining project, they don't have any other source of revenue other than new people joining in. But in this CZ Kitchen, I like this. They have this additional source of revenue. As I keep saying, for any crypto project or any business to run, we must have more than one source of revenue channel. So by investing this treasury money, they're increasing their chance of making additional profit, and they plan to redistribute this profit back to the reward pool. So that's a good indication. So the next step or the next feature is, so other than treasury investment, they plan to have their own play to earn game, which they are calling as Master Chef. So in this, they planning to launch their own token, and also it will have their NFT, and whatever the tax from this selling and buying the token and the royalty fee of the token will be going back to the treasury, and whatever the treasury, it will be put in the investment, and the money from the treasury will be redistributed to the reward. So apart from this P2E game, they also have NFTs, which will be limited in amount. And what is this NFT will give you is it will give an access to the seed sale and the private sale. And apart from that, they plan to have their own e-commerce store where they plan to sell clothes and kitchen equipment. And of course, whatever the profit they're going to get it, they plan to redistribute back to the reward pool. And also they have a incubator program. That means any new project coming in, they can use their incubator program to get bootstrapped. So if you see that they are planning to increase their revenue channel, that is through P2E game, NFT selling, and coming up with the e-commerce and also incubator. So that's good. Also it gives some confidence that this project might run longer. Again, we need to wait and see. So this project has already been launched. So in the sense, if we go back, if you see that they have close to 2,500 BNB already invested. So if you guys think it's a good project, go ahead and support the project. Again, this is not financial advice. And if you want to learn more about the project, they have Telegram, they have Twitter, they have Discord. So feel free to go and join and learn more about the project. You can see that they have the Twitter here with more than 1,000 followers. To conclude, what do I feel? If you see that there are tons of mining projects coming up nowadays, and the own good thing about mining project is you don't see them liquidating overnight, and it might take a couple of days or weeks to get the protocol to be drained. And however, with so many projects coming in, I am not sure which one to go and invest. However, I've seen that I've shown you that I've invested in baked beans and Ruby mine. So CZ Kitchen with the utilities, it definitely looks interesting. Again, it's not a financial advice. Please do your own research. But as I said, with utilities, definitely it's going to stand on among all the existing mining projects. So we need to wait and see how this plays out. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. And thanks for listening to this video. Have a nice day.